Hi, I'm John Roseman with HowTVCutBlackMen'sHair.com. Now, today I want to share with you how I accomplished this very unique handlebar mustache look. And let me tell you that what you see right now is actually after 24 hours. I've actually slept on this. It's a little disheveled, but it still looks pretty good. I want to show you how I achieved that using Mustache Wax from Can You Handlebar. This is their primary wax. They have two versions of it, a primary and a secondary. This is the primary wax. This wax is actually made right here in Michigan. Proud to have a product made right here locally to bring to you. So I want to show you how we accomplished this very unique look. Thank you for joining me. Show you here in a little bit. Thanks. Okay, welcome back. I just got out of the shower and where I developed my little hipster haircut look here. Put me a fancy little part in there, and if you want to see the video on this haircut, it's a separate video, and how I developed the style. So what we're going to do here is show you guys how I accomplished this look with the handlebar mustache. So let's talk a little bit about these products I'll be using. Earlier I used a shampoo from Can You Handlebar. This is a lotion. I'll probably use that after I develop my mustache here. There's two wax compounds for mustaches, a primary and a secondary. Primary is the one that we'll be using today. And the good people at Can You Handlebar sent me some samples of what they call a dry oil. This particular product, they smell terrific, right? They come in several scents, but this particular product can be used once the beard is dry for styling. It's a little less viscosity than the waxes, so they're real good for styling a dry beard. Okay, so primary wax, let's go for it. Thumbnail. Run the thumbnail against the product to develop it on the back of your thumbnail. Scoop it off. Draw out the hairs, these long hairs that I've been growing for a couple of months now. And in front of it, in the back of it, underneath it, right at the lip. Then start to twist. Twist out to the length of the hair. Twist out. Twist out. Right. Okay. Same thing on the other side. Top there, underneath, behind it, bring those hairs out, twist out, twist out. All right, now for the secret. How does that mustache hold 24 hours after sleeping, all that? How do you do that? Well, here it is. Flat iron. And what we're going to do here is this one we're going to set it at about 360 degrees to make it simple for you. 360 degrees. I've been experimenting with it for a while, and you go over that too much, it's gonna nearly burn. You must burn that hair off. 360 degrees have been a pretty good strike temperature for me and my hair. So waiting on that to warm up. While we're doing that, I'm gonna go grab that bottle of shampoo so you can get a look at that. You know, these guys have put a lot of time into developing a pretty good product, and the scents and the smells are great. So that's the beard shampoo I use in the shower. Now here we go. Voila. Well, I'll tell you this, you know, you'll find your own preference in terms of how tight of the pattern that you want. You can bring it closer to your face, bring it out further. You'll develop your own sense of what you like, and practice will get you very comfortable and master the art. Thank you for joining me. Hope you like that.